everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all the cheapest thing I could find on Louis Vuitton. I have seen this video all over YouTube and I've been wanting to do it for so long, and I finally did because I thought y'all would enjoy it. So yeah, let's just get right onto the video. Alright, so I'm just going to give y'all a little bit of a rundown on how I found this item. I first went to handbags, and obviously that is not going to be the cheapest item on Louis Vuitton, but it was just fun to look. These handbags are super expensive, and hopefully one day I'll get to own one, but not anytime soon. The cheapest thing I could find was like $830, and that is way out of my price range, obviously. So that was kind of a waste of time, but it's still fun to look at the handbags because they're really pretty. The next thing I went to was small leather goods because I thought maybe something on here would work, but I was really wrong again. All of the things on here were super expensive. The cheapest thing I could find was like $200, which is out of my price range for now, and I knew I could probably find something cheaper. Most of these things were like wallets or card holders or stuff like that. I thought maybe I could go and find something cheaper. Next, I went to fragrances because I thought maybe that would be a good option to look at, and I do have to say they weren't as expensive as like the wallets and handbags, but they were very expensive as well. Most of the fragrances were like $250, which I think is very outrageous for a little bottle of perfume. So that obviously wasn't going to be what I chose. The next thing I looked at was accessories. All of the options under accessories seemed pretty expensive and out of my price range, except writing. So I went down to that. Some of the stuff was cheaper than the other stuff we had looked at, but then there were some really expensive pens and stuff. Then I got down to the mechanical pencil refills. The mechanical pencil refills were literally the cheapest thing I could find on Louis Vuitton that entire time I had looked, but of course they were sold out because they were so cheap, and I guess people just wanted to buy something from Louis Vuitton to buy it. I don't know. Probably wouldn't have wanted that anyway. I wouldn't have wanted to pay $7 for mechanical pencil refills when I can get some from Target for like 99 cents. I'm kind of glad that was sold out. I kept scrolling down and things were starting to get cheaper, I guess, if you could even call it that, except for the pens that were like $1,000 each, which is outrageous in my opinion. But I saw some bottles of ink that were $52 each, which is still really expensive, but it's cheap in comparison to everything else that was on the website. And then I got down to the ball pen refills. They were the same price as the mechanical pencil refills, and they were $7. They came in black and blue. As y'all guessed, both of them were sold out, which again, I'm kind of glad because I wouldn't have had a pen to refill, and that would have just been a complete waste of money. So I had to keep looking somewhere else. Alright, so I went back to accessories to see if there was another section that might have something that was cheaper than everything else we had found. I saw travel books, and I was very curious about that, so I clicked on it. I was pleasantly surprised because the books at the top were $62, and that was very good compared to the $52 ink bottle, which didn't make sense to me at all. I kept scrolling, and I found some more books. They were like city guides, and they were, I shouldn't say only, but compared to the other stuff, they were only $37. I was very interested in them because I love traveling. It is one of my favorite things to do with my family and stuff like that. I'm actually going several different places this summer, and so I was very curious, so I looked and I found New York, which is where I'm going this summer with my school. I clicked on that and I realized I think I may have found the cheapest item I could have possibly found on Louis Vuitton. And so I purchased that. I was going back and forth between Sydney and New York because I'm going to both of those places this summer, but I ended up choosing New York. And I know, it's very expensive for an item like that, but I am going to use that a lot because go to New York a decent amount. I will definitely go there again. It's not just something I'm going to get a one-time use out of, and I'll also be able to like use it as decoration. I put it on my desk and stuff and read it very often because of the hefty price tag I paid for it. I did pay for it with my own money, so don't worry. It wasn't my parents' money, it was mine. So I guess it was my stupid mistake, even though I will use it. So I wanted to get an item that I was actually going to use more than once and not just put aside and just get for a video like I would have with the mechanical pencil refills or the ball pen refills. It's actually a meaningful item that I will use very often. So I ended up getting that, and I will show y'all it now. Alright, so here is the package, and it's nothing really spectacular, like the box isn't, so I don't really care, but I'm sure the packaging on the inside will be. I don't know if I already said this, I may have, but I ordered this like 2 weeks ago, and I got it within like 3 or 4 days with free shipping. So that is amazing. This is a box that doesn't require scissors for once, so I'm going to open it on up. So here is what you see when you open it up, and I think this is just a covering to the actual stuff, which is very fancy. I really like it. And here it is. Look at this. Look at this packaging. The packaging alone is worth $37 to me. Actually, not really, and I think these are samples, and they came with a little bag that says Louis Vuitton. I'm just kind of high-key fangirling right now because I've wanted something from Louis Vuitton forever. So this is a great start, and this was complimentary gift wrapping for Christmas. So here's the ribbon, and here's like a little note holder. I think I wrote myself a note, so let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness, it's sealed. We can look at that in a second, but yeah, I'm super excited. Yeah, we're gonna open up the note now. I love how it's sealed. That's really nice. Let's open it on up. It's a little surprise to myself because I kind of forgot what I wrote on here. But I was like, it's free, so let's go ahead and do it. Wait, what? Oh wait, never mind, you don't have to rip it. It just kind of opens up. I guess I didn't write myself a note. Thought I did, but never mind. But here's a blank card, so maybe I'll write a cute tiny letter on there or something. Who knows, but yeah. So before we open like the real thing, we're gonna open this stuff up and see what it is. I am pretty sure this is my receipt. It's really fancy. Like, I'm gonna keep this forever. It just says, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. I think this is just talking about like returns and stuff. Here's my receipt. Oh, wow. Oh wait, here's my note. I found it. Oh my gosh. I guess that other one is what you can write in. Oh, here's my fancy little note. I said, you're welcome for this, Carly. Enjoy it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, just love that so much. I'm glad they remembered the note because I really thought I wrote myself one. So happy. I'm gonna keep this, so that's pretty cute. And yeah, the rest is just like my receipt and all that jazz. Now for this bad boy. First of all, I freaking love this bag. I think that's so nice that they included this. This is worth $30 alone for me. Just kidding. Or $37, whatever I paid for that. Inside this is 2 perfume samples in these like fancy little boxes. How awesome is that? And of course I want to try that $250 perfume out. That'd be amazing. So I'm super excited. I think it's 2 different scents. And I'm definitely going to be wearing that very sparingly because I want to keep it as long as possible. And it just comes with a little card that explains the perfume. So I didn't even know I was going to get free samples, which is awesome. Now for the real deal. First off, I'm absolutely obsessed with this packaging. I just think the ribbon in the little thingy right here has a very nice touch. That is gorgeous. So I guess we're gonna take it off. And I'm gonna keep this and savor it. Just love it because it costs a lot of money because of that purchase. So now here is the real deal. It's like a little rectangular package that says Louis Vuitton, and it has this little fancy clasp thingy on the back. And it looks like one of those like manila envelope thingies. I don't know how to really describe it. But it has some really pretty, I think, like fake leather clasps. I'm really digging how extra all of this is because we all know that this is as extra as I get. But anyway, let's go ahead and open it on up. And it just kind of opens up like that. And the book is inside here. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. It has plastic wrap all over it, but apparently there's also an app you can download, I guess, to get more information. Now opening the plastic wrap. Ooh. Gotta get my handy dandy safety scissors. Opening it up. The book is like a really nice and sturdy material, and it has like a green cover. It says Louis Vuitton City Guide, so that's fancy. It's probably a guide to like stores and like anything fashion related, stuff like that. I don't really think it's for sightseeing like the Empire State Building or anything, but that's kind of what I want the fashion guide. So I'm really excited about this, and it's not just something I bought to buy because I wanted to do this video. It's actually something I'm going to use, and I'm going to use as a decoration because why not? If it's that much, then I'm definitely going to do something else with it besides read it. So I think this is absolutely beautiful. And in the back, there's like some stickers, I guess you can put by places you've gone or want to go, or you can just do whatever you want with, which is really a nice touch. And then a paper that talks about the app. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had an amazing time filming it. It was so fun because I just love this, and in my opinion, it was worth every single one of my pennies. Please no hate for this. I spent my own money and I can do whatever I want with that, but I saved most of it. This was just for fun. So I know I will get great use out of the item, and the packaging is just fun to look at, and I'll probably like display it or something. But yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you would like me to do something similar to this, because I may buy the cheapest thing from Gucci or like Chanel or whatever y'all would like to see. So please comment down below about that. And I really hope y'all enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!